Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an Xfinity door sensor. Before we begin, make sure your Xfinity security system is disarmed to avoid any false alarms. You will need a small Phillips head screwdriver and your new Xfinity door sensor. Having these items ready will make the replacement process smooth and efficient. Let's get started with the first step of safely removing the old sensor. Now, let's remove the old sensor. First, gently open the sensor's cover using a small flathead screwdriver. It usually pops right off. Next, carefully take out the two AA or AAA batteries, depending on your sensor model. Then, unscrew the sensor base from the door frame and remove the small magnet from the door. Keep these components aside as we prepare for the new installation. With the old sensor removed, it's time to install the new one. Position the main sensor unit on the door frame, ensuring it's within 1/4 inch of where the magnet will be. Mount the magnet on the door itself, aligning it perfectly with the sensor. Insert two fresh AA or AAA batteries into the new sensor, observing the correct polarity. Finally, snap the cover back onto the sensor unit until it's securely closed. Our final step is to test the new sensor. Arm your Xfinity security system to ensure it's ready to detect activity. Open and close the door several times, observing your Xfinity panel or app. You should see the system register the door opening and closing correctly. If the sensor isn't registering, double-check the battery installation and alignment. If issues persist, contact Xfinity customer support for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.